when importing data, or specifically DWG files that happen to be in a different unit than your project, you could drag and drop that file in and then scale it. Another option would be to, when you import it, as you can see here, I've got a DWG file, and I know this one happens to be in inches. Down here you can set the units of that particular file that you're importing. So whether it's in millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, international feet, or US feet, you can actually tell it and tell Business Center what file or what unit that file happens to be in. So I know this one is in inches, so by selecting inches, when I import it, it will automatically convert it and scale it accordingly. So when I bring it in, you can see here I've got this building, and if I use the measure command and snap to the endpoint here and the endpoint here, you can see that it's 28 feet, and therefore it's appropriately it's been sized, and I don't have to scale it. So kind of a shortcut from having to scale it after you import it.